Hey 240 crew, welcome back. It's been a couple of weeks. How have y'all been? Say we're here on day 47 approximately of our front suspension refresh. I thought I would do a little different intro today where we're starting halfway in the project. We'll do a little recap of disassembly and then we will put it all back together and hopefully it works and goes fantastic. Let's take a look at where we're at right now. Okay, we have all of the parts off of the car and all either refreshed, like the one control arm and the springs and the spring seats, or all laid out and just ready to put back in. We did run into a couple minor issues disassembling that I think are worth noting. First one being this bushing. This terrible, terrible bushing that I was very dead set on removing no matter what, even after I destroyed it and knew I had to order another control arm. This is the replacement. I coated it with a little truck bed coating, give it a, I don't know, a few extra years of life. Let's see, what else? Bushings, I went with just replacement old Volvo rubber bushings. I did notice something, where's the package? Right here. Okay, I used what I think are Volvo originals. And when I was taking the control arms off, they looked just like this bushing with no, just kind of a flat surface with those four little indents. And the bushings that I put back in are a little different. They have these little rubber nubs on them. That seemed, I don't know, in just like a practical sense, the way the bushing works, that would be better than just having a smooth flat surface. Okay, so there was that, and this one broken bolt that I had to take out. It came out though, so we're good. These are still all the things that we have to put in. We're using original Volvo strut mounts. I like to use Volvo things where I can. Sometimes when ordering, depends on what's available, and quite frankly, depending on the cost, some old Volvo parts are still worth a lot of money. So what else do we have? The only other thing when, well, this is kind of disassembly and part of reassembly. I already have one strut insert in. Hey, do you love how we found a use for all of our gravel-geddon buckets? Well, not all of them, but quite a few of them. So, this strut that I already have in, the insert, when purchasing them on IPD's website, there is a little disclaimer that says there might be an extremely tight fit. I did have to use the lathe and take a little bit of the yellow paint off. I don't know how easy it's gonna come out, you know, in year after years of use in the future. For right now though, it is in and we aren't gonna worry about it. Okay. So, now all we have to do is put it back together. First though, this little clip of disassembly for those of you that would like to watch that. I'll see you on the other side.